Hey guys, good evening. It's Angelo Christian Financial. Thank you so much for watching our podcast, Real Estate Insider, Where America Goes for Funding. Call or text my office, 832-431-6331, your direct nationwide lender. Today we're talking about the $500,000 zero down home buyer program. If you're out there, you have a 620 plus credit score, there's no income limit. You don't have to be a first time buyer. If you're trying to buy your primary residence, you can literally buy your home with no money down up to $500,000 with our program. We're a direct lender. We offer you the loan, down payment assistance. There are 30-year fixed rate mortgages. Interest rates are starting at 7.8% fixed. You get your closing costs included. It doesn't matter how much money you make. You don't have to be a first time buyer. If you're trying to buy your primary residence, as of right now, that's the opportunity. So it beats renting. As rent prices keep going higher and higher, this is a chance for you to own your home. So reach out to us. If you're sick of renting, call Angelo Christian, 832-431-6331. We want to hear from you and be able to help you with our no money down home buyer program with Angelo Christian Financial. Reach out to us about the $500,000 zero down program. Thank you.